Hi, I'm Tim. This is my React v TypeScript application that shows my portfolio. It'll be like my online resume. It's a single page program that's got a lot of different functions here that meet the Challenge 12 bootcamp requirements. So, this actually isn't the first page that you'll come to whenever you are following the link, but it's the first one that's on the screen here. So this is an extra feature that I added. It wasn't part of the requirements for this project, but we did a 5-day weather forecast project earlier on in the bootcamp. So I added it here as one of these tabs instead of putting it into the portfolio because I already had 6 projects on there. So our 5-day weather forecast here, this is for St. Louis, but you can search for any city and it goes through and automatically updates these 5 days. And the weather, you've got the temperature rounded to the next whole number. The search button is styled, but you don't really have to use it. It automatically updates as you're typing. So that is our 5-day weather forecast. That's this tab at the top. You can see the weather changes size and it's got highlighting underneath it because this is the tab that we're on. All of our buttons on the screen here have the same styling, this orange color, the blue background, and white font. Down here we've got links to other sources that you can contact me at, and my copyright info at the bottom. So let's go to another page here, the contact page. We've got a get in touch section with different ways to reach me. All of these have the underline and font changes color as you hover over them. The header and the footer followed us to this page, and the tab contact shows you that we've moved to this page instead of the weather page. So we'll just go to the left to portfolio. This will show you 6 of my projects that I've built or helped build. Color My World was a collaborative project for one of the assignments during the bootcamp. Actually, my very first group project that I got to participate in. The rest of them are all solo projects I built. The header and footer both follow us to this page as well. We'll go to our About section. A picture of my wife and I, and then a couple of paragraphs about me. Still, the Download My Resume button on the bottom followed us to this page, and so did my name at the top. Go to our Home is our last tab here. We've got Welcome to My Portfolio, a couple paragraphs here. But here you can actually see that as we scroll down, the footer is stuck to the bottom and it follows us as we move. So you can always see this button and my contact information. And then the last feature that I put into this program is the light and dark mode. You can see the pages change, the footer and header change. All of the information is still easily readable. See all of the buttons. As you hover over them, they all change in size and appearance. So you can see where your cursor is. If you click on any of these View Project buttons, it takes you to that project. Same thing with all of these links here. They'll take you to another project. I actually don't have my resume linked here yet, but if you click it, it starts the download. It's just an empty file for now, but I'll get to that later on. The weather, the same way, is all styled. All right, so that is my portfolio. Thank you for watching.